Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring the numerous opportunities it presents for making money. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or simply someone curious about AI, this video will give you insights into the potential ways to monetize this rapidly growing field. So let's get started with our introduction to AI opportunities for making money. Section 1. The power of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has transformed various industries, revolutionizing the way we work and live. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is everywhere, and its potential for generating income is immense. But before we delve into the opportunities, let's quickly understand what AI is. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. It involves teaching machines to learn, reason, and make decisions. Machine learning and deep learning are two key branches of AI that enable computers to analyze large amounts of data and recognize patterns. Section 2. Opportunities in. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI, let's explore the various opportunities for making money in this field. 1. AI consulting. As an AI consultant, you can provide expert guidance to businesses looking to adopt AI solutions. Help them identify areas where AI can streamline processes, optimize operations, or 2. AI development. Develop AI-powered applications such as chatbots, recommendation systems, or image recognition software. These can be monetized by selling them directly to businesses or through app marketplaces. 3. AI data labeling. Data labeling plays a crucial role in training AI models. You can start a data labeling business, offering accurate and reliable labeling services to companies working with AI technologies. 4. AI freelancing. Freelance as an AI engineer or developer. Build a strong portfolio and offer your expertise to clients seeking AI solutions. You can work on projects ranging from natural language processing to computer vision. 5. AI-enabled product development. Create innovative products with AI capabilities. This could involve designing smart home devices, wearable tech, or personalized healthcare solutions. Section 3. Monetization strategies. Now that you've identified your AI venture, let's discuss some effective strategies for monetizing your AI-related work. 1. Licensing and selling. License your AI software or sell it to businesses that can benefit from its capabilities. Ensure you have a solid value proposition and target the right audience. 2. Subscription models. Offer AI services or platforms on a subscription basis. This could include access to AI tools, data analytics, or customized AI algorithms. 3. Strategic partnerships. Collaborate with established businesses to integrate AI into their existing products or services. Joint ventures and partnerships can provide a win-win situation for both parties involved. 4. Consulting and training. Share your expertise through consulting services, workshops, or online courses. Educate businesses or individuals on how to leverage AI effectively. Section 4. Case studies and success stories to inspire you further. Let's look at a few real-life examples of individuals and companies who have successfully monetized their AI endeavors. Case Study 1. WMI-powered customer support. Explore how Company X integrated an AI chatbot into their customer support system, reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Case Study 2. AI-driven e-commerce. Learn how entrepreneur utilized AI algorithms to personalize product recommendations, resulting in a significant increase in sales conversion rates. Section 5. Conclusion and call to action. As we conclude this video, remember that AI offers a vast array of opportunities to generate income. Whether you choose to develop AI applications, provide consulting services, or explore other avenues, the potential for success is substantial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI technology and entrepreneurship. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, keep exploring, and unlock the limitless possibilities of AI. See you in the next video.